looking like. Clara. So before starting your locks, I'm just taking my hair down and I'm gonna show you guys what you need to be able to achieve this look at home. First, you're gonna need your shine and jam. This is good just to go ahead and clean your parts up. I've had these braids in for a while, so I needed it. And I got the water wave crochet hair. It's in 22 inches. I ended up using about 9 packs, 7 or 9. I can't remember really, honestly. But I think I'll tell you guys at the end of the video. And then I also needed a crochet needle. This is gonna save your life. You need some nail glue, and I'll explain in the video. So now I'm just wrapping up all the hair that is not going to get used right now automatically, and then I just separate the water wave hair. I really only took 2 pieces and kind of stretched it out prior to putting them in the spot where it goes. Here I'm just showing you guys where the hair goes in the crochet needle. If you never use it, you just lock the needle and you put it in. Personally, I stick the needle through my hair first and then put the hair in and loop it through the gap where my Knotless braid is at the root, and then I take the shine and jam. I go ahead and just put it all the way around where the braid is, and then I just start wrapping. Honestly, I feel like you can wrap in any direction, but this is just the direction that feels natural to me, more comfortable to me, and I just keep going all the way down pretty much. It's very self-explanatory. It's not hard at all. You just kind of have to find some type of flow and you just keep going. That's literally how I do my hair in any scenario. I just start doing what feels best and what looks right, honestly. Then you take your nail glue to kind of seal the end of the braid. This one, I ain't even gonna lie, this one was not my best braid. This is my first one, so you can see the ends are not straight, which I did not like. So that's why on my other ones that I'm showing you here, after I got a couple done, it's me taking a snack break for me. But yeah, I was hungry, y'all. Okay, I had already been to the store, I had been moving around, so bought me Wendy's, and that was hitting the spot. Back to work. So you see me pushing the crochet needle in, putting the hair in on the end, and just pulling it through. You just need to pull it through enough to where you can have 2 sides, and then taking my shine and jam, then I'm just wrapping. And you just wrap, and you just wrap, and you just wrap. That's literally it. You wrap, seal the ends with the nail glue, wrap a little more over it, and then you just add your hair to the ends. I'm not sure if I included that part in here. It's gotta be in here somewhere, child. I know it is. What did I just say? So this is where at the end you kind of are just gonna seal it with your nail glue and wrap the pieces together, if that makes sense. When you're adding the other hair in, you just kind of wrap it to the end, and then you grab that other hair, make sure they're kind of on top of each other, and just start wrapping in the same direction with the other piece. Now it's harder with just one of these instead of 2. It's like less thick, so just make sure you're taking your time at the end. This part just took me longer, which was kind of frustrating because once you get in the flow, you hate to slow down. But this is how I did it. I wasn't gonna use 4 pieces on one braid. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, I wasn't gonna go buy twice as many packs as probably what I would have had to buy if I used 4 on each. No ma'am. not sure if you picked up on this, but I'm actively taking the end of the braid and making sure it sticks out so I can fully wrap the end. The one thing I hate about this style is if you make sure that if your ends are not wrapped, baby, they gonna start sticking out. It's gonna be annoying. It's gonna make the messy look just unraveled, and I hate that look. So I make sure to make these ends tight. Okay, if there's one thing about these ends, they're gonna be tight now. I'm just gonna go ahead and apologize for the lighting, okay? I had to use my room light because the natural sun was gone, and it wasn't even late. This was probably like 4:30, 4:45, and literally the sun had went down. So I had to use the light in my room, which is like a yellow light. It's not a nice white soft light. So I was looking crazy at some angles, but I refused to let this video just go. So I had to, do what I had to do. I had to adjust the brightness in iMovie here. It don't look good either, but you know what? Y'all get the point. I just wanted for y'all to grasp how long it took me to wrap my hair. So before you do this hairstyle and think, oh, I'm just gonna be done in a couple of hours, no. And this is not my first time doing this hairstyle. So I know for a fact I lied to myself to get myself through this. This took me a lot longer than I thought it would. I did take a break or a couple breaks, but that's my business, not yours. Quick intermission because I didn't get enough hair, so I'm gonna go run to the beauty supply just so I can do the rest of these. Wow, I think I have like 20 more braids to wrap, and then I have those 2 that I want to fix. So I'm gonna go to the beauty supply and I'm gonna come back. with some days later. I finished the locks. They came out cute AF. It's a couple of days later, so I'm sorry for that. I literally finished these locks so late. I think I started at like 2:30, and I finished the locks at about, oh Lord, when did I finish these locks? I finished like 2:30, and I think I finished these locks like around like 11. Mind you, I took like an hour and a half break. I went to go get food and stuff. So, but yeah, this is how they turned out. I have them wrapped in this, so when I finish them, I put mousse, like, you know, styled them with mousse a little bit, and I put some hair oil. I'm actually about to do that again right now, but this is how they came out. Aren't they so cute? Period. Okay, you can get 2 hairstyles out of 1. Okay, just go pay to get your hair ready, get some knotless braids, and you know, show up, show out. Now this braid, this one right here that I did, bro, I want to redo it so bad because the end is like bouncy. That was the first one that I did, and I, you know, obviously you need to do a couple of them to get the hang of them, because once you get to the front, everything will look very nice and neat. But for the most part, they came out very nice and neat. They're somewhat long. I'm trying to show y'all the full length. Just so y'all can see a little bit. This is what they're looking like. This is the back. Y'all see? This is the bed. For 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 the bed. But yeah, so this is how they came out. They came out super cute. I love them. Not love. I'm not gonna lie. This is a couple days later, so maybe with a couple of days like wear and tear, they look better over time. I ain't even gonna lie, some of these I did like random lengths because like I don't know what I was doing. I was just in here rapping, okay? Just rapping. But overall, that's how they look all to the front. I'm shorter than what I think I am. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is what they came out like, and they look so freaking cute, and I love. And at night I just put that wrap on top of my head, and I just throw them in a bonnet. Nothing too special. I want them to get a little messy because I'm probably gonna be wearing them for a while too, and my parts might get messy, but my parts stay pretty clean for the most part. You know, even though I've had these braids, I've had the braids since like October. I can't remember the exact day I went to go get them done, but I had my braids since like October. So this is me putting locks on top of the braids because the braids was looking like Clara. Looking like they was ready to get up out of here. But yeah, I wanted to come back on here to show you guys the final result and how cute they came out. I love them so much. They look so freaking cute. Like, they look so cute. Just, hey. My dog just walked in. But I hope I got enough footage showing you guys how I put these in and stuff. I really don't know how the footage came out, so I'm hoping that it came out good, so y'all can at least see me wrapping the hair and seeing like how I started it off and stuff like that. These were like a lot neater when I originally finished though, I will say that. But I left like some hair out, some curls out, and overall I think I ended up using like 9 packs. Mind you, I did about 3 pieces of hair for each braid lock. So yeah, either the front or left was shorter, because I was started cutting them. I was getting annoyed. Okay, this side got the best of me, this side got the better side of me. This side, they was getting cut short because the braids was just like, it was getting to the point where I was gonna have to put a 4th piece in, and I was like, look, I'm not buying no more hair, because I had to leave, you know, in the middle of the video to go get some more hair, so I wasn't doing that. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You gonna love it here. We come out with all kinds of content. I got Sir, I got lifestyle content, vlogs, hair videos. I'm probably gonna be doing more hair videos. I really want to do like a wig series almost, so let me know if you guys want to see that, because I've only done like one wig video, maybe one or two, and I want to try like different wigs out and stuff, because as much as I love my protective styles, I'm gonna have to learn how to be able to branch out and just be able to work when I can, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on anything else you guys want to see in the future. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.